Hi YouTube, you guys are welcome to today's tutorial, and today we will be doing a vintage film kind of look, and it is just going to be focused on sepia vintage look. So if you've got a documentary video that you want to edit and you want to get a sepia look for it, I'll be showing you how to do it just with 3 notes, and this tutorial is going to be very fast as usual. So what you want to do is, come to your color tab, and I am going to reset all of this node. Yeah, so I would leave it to just one node. This is my original node, which is just still on it is still on C log that I'm yet to color grade. So how to do it is just very simple. Create 3 nodes. When you have created a 3 node, so what you want to do is to desaturate your saturation totally. Come to your next node and you are going to push your lift. You can push your lift towards red, and then your gamma should go towards your orange. So I'll really push this in a bit, and this last one is going to be towards yellow, and I have a sepia color already. So if there is any other thing that I'll be doing on this third node, it is just going to be my contrast, because you really need a very strong contrast for this kind of image. I'll put my highlight out and then I'll push this down. This was before and this is after. You could just save this as a power grade, so you can use for your future use. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. And best of all, that I found as another magic is you may not even want to now change it to black and white. If you choose to turn the first node off, this is a grade that may not work for this, that you might want to even use for another thing entirely. If it is not the sepia vintage look that you are going for, you could just turn this off, and you will still be able to do some little manipulations, maybe adjust your yellow, and you'll get a very good grade. So thank you. Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial, or if there is another particular way that you feel like someone can do it faster. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you are new to this channel, my name is Jidefilms. I'm a filmmaker based in Lagos, Nigeria. So ensure you subscribe by encouraging this channel. And if you want to know how to color grade fully, then check out this video showing on the screen right away.